Hey, Francisco here. Today I just wanted to share with you some footage that I recorded last weekend when I went up to Lee's house to record the how to use range sensors video, which you can find a link for that video below. We wanted to share with you the progress that we've made or Lee has made with the arm. Unfortunately, things didn't go as planned, but let's get to it. Let me show you what happened. You can see the gripper in action. This is actually a custom 3D printed gripper. One interesting thing that Lee realized is that the elbow is the only servo that's able to lift the actual bottle. He tried to do it with the shoulder, but there wasn't enough leverage for it to pick up the bottles. Here is the first attempt where we are going to attempt the lifting of the actual bottle here. This was all done using the Robby framework, which is the project that we've been working on for a while. The whole robot end port that you see here has been programmed using Robby. The elbow gives out, and then shortly after that, you see a red blinking light on the servo. When I got to Lee's house, he mentioned that he was able to pick up the beer bottle a lot higher than what you're seeing here on this footage. So at this point, we didn't know if it was just a fluke. So we kept trying. So we're going to try again here. So after the servo gives out, we have to reboot the whole robot. And you can see here that the arm is back to its home position. There's a little bit of a pause, and each attempt takes a little bit of time because we don't have a routine already programmed to pick up the bottle. Lee is doing this. He's pretty much writing commands for the Robby framework to execute against the arm. So each time he has to do manual calculations to position the arm in the right place. So here we go. This is going to be the second attempt at picking it up. You see the gripper there, got a hold of the bottle, and we are going to attempt to lift now. There it goes. And again, the arm gives out. So at this point, we're thinking that what was a fluke was the fact that it picked it up the first time or the previous times when I wasn't there, and it picked up the bottle all the way up. But now it seems that every time the bottle is picked up, the arm gives out. And again, we have to reboot the robot, reboot Antwerp for the arm to work again. So that was attempt number 2. And here we are going to attempt it one more time. We're getting it into position, just a little lower. There we go. And again, the arm gives out. We definitely have to do some research on our end. Lee told me that he actually kept testing with an empty bottle, and that was working out okay. So I'm thinking that even though the arm is rated for 1 kilo or 1 kilogram, maybe the distance of the bottle is too far away from the actual servo. So we are going to keep trying, doing some more testing. But as soon as we get a chance, we're going to share some more progress with you. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.